Okay, so we're going to do one more problem. It's pretty much the same setup as the last one, just with slightly different numbers. And I would encourage you to take this information and try it on your own before you view the solution to this. So starting with the debt at the top, we have 8,000 8% coupon bonds, 12 years to maturity, selling at 105. Semi-annual coupon, 34% marginal tax rate. We have 330 shares of common stock, selling at $62 a share with a beta of 1.1, 10% market risk premium, and a 4.5% risk-free rate. Lastly, with the preferred stock, we have 15,000 shares of preferred stock, selling at $105 per share with an 8% dividend. And this time, for the solution, I started by calculating the capital structure weights. So starting with the bonds, 8,000 bonds times $1,000 each times the premium of 105 results in 8.4 million in market value. Common stock, 330 shares times $62 is $20,460,000. And lastly, preferred stock of 15,000 times the market value of 105 per share is 1,575,000 for a total of $30,435. So at that point, you plug in your respective market values divided by the denominator, which is the total market value of your equity, common stock. Equity, preferred stock, and debt, and that results in these percentages here: 27.6%, 67.23, and 5.17. Okay, so from here we go down to calculate our individual costs, and we have the cost of debt with a future value of $1,000, present value it's at a premium of $1,050. The coupon is 1,000 times the coupon rate of 8% divided by 2 because it's compounding semi-annual, gives you a $40 coupon. N is 12 years times 2 because it compounds twice a year for 24 periods. You solve for I over Y, you get 3.685%. Annualize that, and you get a pre-tax cost of debt of 7.37%. Take the pre-tax cost of debt, you multiply by 1 minus the tax rate, and you get 4.86%. Your cost of equity, you take the CAPM formula. Expected return is the risk-free rate plus the market risk premium, otherwise known as the expected market return, minus the risk-free rate times beta. And you get 4.5 for the risk-free rate plus 10 for the market risk premium times the beta of 1.1, and you eventually get a cost of equity of 15.5%. Lastly, calculate the cost of the preferred stock. To do that, you take the dividend amount divided by the market value of the preferred stock. The dividend is 8% of 100, which is the par value. You get $8 per share, and the market value is $105. So 8 divided by 105 is 7.62. And then you create your table down below to get the weighted average cost of capital. You plug in your capital structure weights, your cost, and you get a weighted cost of 1.34% for the debt, 10.42% for the equity, and 0.39 for your weighted average cost of capital. Now, just to remember, you can use this number to calculate net present value, or you could also use it to compare with your internal rate of return. If the internal rate of return is greater than the WACC, then you would accept the project.